Okay, so today we have a Samsung washing machine. The complaint was that the washer is filling with water by itself when it turned on. So it's off right now. Already took the panel, did some diagnostics already. If we turn it on, it starts filling without me pressing any start button or anything. The cycle is not started yet, and the issue here that the hot water valve gets the power as soon as we're pressing the power on button. So in this case we'll have to replace the control board. There's most likely some shortage, and one of the relay switches shorted, so it always supplies the power to the water valve. And here's the old control board. Already took it apart. Overall looks normal to me. Nothing visually that I can see is wrong with it. This is the new control board. I'm gonna put it in and we'll see the result. Okay, so the new control board is already installed. This is the old one. Now we're just gonna plug the washing machine. And after plugging it, just gonna wait a second and we'll see what happens after we turn it on. Everything is looking good. The water valve is still attached. You can see here nothing is happening. If we start the cycle on the worm, it's still not running, so it's all good. The valve will start running only after the machine gonna sense the cycle, how much stuff inside the machine, and only after it's gonna start filling with water. So overall it's a successful repair. Again, the issue was with the valve, that it was always running and it was the hot valve, and the power that the valve receives, it's only from the control board, especially only the way when it was happening after the power button was pressed on. It was filling right away, so there was no way to stop it. Yeah, so it's all good. And washer is a Samsung. The model number is over here. It's like 4 years old washing machine.